This is my 2004, that's 21 years old, Trail Light B Plus RV. I bought it recently because A, the price was right, and B, the interior is absolutely gorgeous, very well maintained. But the outside was very badly oxidized, faded, and really looked hard used. Well, then I asked Desert Steam to come over and clean it and polish it and do their magic, and it looks brand new. I mean, I'm absolutely thrilled with those guys. Took them yesterday to do it, 2 guys all day, and boy oh boy, what a difference. Let's go over to the other side, take a look. There it is. They did a beautiful job, just beautiful. This rig looks brand new. I'm really happy with what they did for me. Years old, looks like it's brand new.